It's time for math routines. Try to find a piece of paper and something to write with. If you can't, that's okay. You can always just solve in your head or solve using your fingers. Remember, you can pause the video anytime you need to if you need more time to solve. Hey, first grade, I'm excited to do some more math with you today. We're going to start, as always, with our number of the day. Let me draw it in base 10 for you and see if you can figure out my number of the day. Nice job counting up your tens and ones. I'm sure you figured out that's the number 84 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens and 4 ones. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight 84 on my hundreds chart. And now we want to think about what's 10 more and what's 10 less than 84. I know if I add one 10 stick, instead of 84, it becomes, nice, 94. And if I do the opposite, which is take away a 10 stick, that 84 becomes, of course, 74. Cool. So now I'm going to get out my magic number cards to see if you can quickly figure out plus 10 minus 10. So let me clear and we'll get started. First number, woo, there we go, 95. Here we go, 10 more. Nice, 105, because I know 9 tens would regroup to make 10 tens, and that would be 105. And then 95, take away a 10 stick, of course, 85. Nice job. Next one, 100. If I'm at 100, what's one more 10? 10 more. Nice job, 110. What about 10 less? Good, 90. Okay. Next one, we have the number 85. What's 10 more than 85? Nice job, 95. 10 less? 75. There you go. All right, last one for today. It's the number 77. 10 more? 87. 10 less? 67. Nice job. The next thing we're going to do is move into counting a pattern. I want you to figure out, as always, what's the rule of Miss Doherty's counting pattern. Check out my rule. I'm going to start with the number 48. Then I'm moving to 53 and 58. All right, see if you can figure out what I'm counting by jumping on the hundreds chart. Get to work. Nice, you probably figured out my pattern, but let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it, it's a +5 pattern. So if I'm counting by 5 jumps every time, let's think about what would come next in my pattern. Let me get my pencil, my highlighter ready so I can mark the numbers. Here we go, 5 jumps from 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, it's the number 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, 68. Nice job finding the next 2 numbers in my counting pattern. Now I'm going to write a number on my easel, and I want you to see, would this number be in Miss Doherty's +5 pattern or not? Let's get to work. The number is 95. Would this be in this counting pattern? Take a look at my hundreds chart and tell me what you think. If you said no, I agree. We notice this pattern is moving down the hundreds chart. So 95 would not fall into my, would not fall into my counting pattern today. You didn't get tricked. Nice work. The next thing we're going to do is, of course, practice a missing part in total problem. Go grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you don't have it already. And if not, you can try to solve in your head using a strategy. Make sure you're labeling your parts and totals as you work. Figure out what's missing. Exactly. I know smart mathematicians noticed, hey, that's a minus sign, and right before the minus sign is always the big total that we're breaking apart, which makes these other two numbers parts. That means today we're missing a part, a smaller number. We can just solve this one by doing 16 take away 7. And we know, of course, that answer would be 9. Today I want to see if you could write a fact family on your piece of paper to represent this number sentence. Get to work. We know, of course, the fact family is 2 plus number sentences and 2 minus. For my plus number sentences, I put my 2 parts, 9 and 7, together. So I can say 9 plus 7 equals 16. But then, of course, also 7 plus 9 equals 16. And for my minus or number or takeaway number sentences, I start with my big total, break off one part. I'll do 7 for the first one. And then for the second, break off the other part, which would be 9. Nice work, friends. Alrighty, our last challenge for tonight is to continue our work on our fact power flashcards. So let me get them ready. Here we go. Nice job. That's 11. Good. 14. Yes, 14. You got it. Good. 8. 6. Nice. 6 again. What do you know? Good. 12. 6 again. We know that doubles fact. 16. Good. One more than the doubles fact we just saw. 17. 4. And you got it. 11. Thanks for doing math with me today, first grade. See you next time.